Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wayuriani. I'm from Universitas Maritim Raja Ali Haji. And today I will discuss and give you information more about Palestine and Israel now. Okay, the first I will share you about get to know the history of the Israel-Palestine conflict. This was the beginning. Then war between Israel and Palestine did not subside. Even the latest war breaks at the time when Hamas attacked Israel October 7 and the Jewish Commission with airstrikers. The Israel where Hamas now enter the 16th day. This is the death list were between 5 wars in Gaza for both parties. The Palestine Ministry of Health on Sunday said the death toll in Gaza had reached at least 4 million people, while 44 million other people were injured. The ministry also said that 793 Palestinians were killed in Israel violence and attack in other Palestine regions where West Bank. But actually, how can conflict happen? The beginning of the conflict. This conflict has occurred more than 100 years, right on November 2, 1917, at the time the British Foreign Ministry at the time. Arthur Balfour wrote a letter aimed to Lionel Walter Rothschild, a British Jewish community leader. The letter was indeed short, only 1670 words, but the contents had an
Israel
impact
terus
on
mengincar
Palestine
kelompok Hamas yang ada di jalur
still
Gaza
felt
dengan
today.
mengintensifkan serangan. Israel
The letter
mengebut Gaza
begged the
lewat serangan
British
udara maupun
government
darat
to
mulai dari siang
establish a
hingga malam
national
hari.
house for Jews in
Minggu 5
Palestine.
November 2023, suara terlihat di langit kota Gaza diiringi dengan suara ledakan.
And facilitates achieving this goal. The letter is known for the Balfour Declaration. In essence, the European power promised the Zionist movement of the country in a region that is 19% of its population is the native
Selain lewat
of
udara, Israel juga menyerang
Palestine
Gaza via jalur darat. Pada
The
video
British
yang dirilis oleh Israel Defense Force atau IDF pada hari Minggu tersebut, terlihat aktivitas tim
The
divisi
British
36 Israel yang melakukan
mandate
operasi di
was
jalur
formed in
Gaza. IDF mengklaim
1923
pasukannya sudah menyerang jauh di
and
jalur
lasts
Gaza
until
dan menempatkan pasukan di sepanjang pantai.
1947. During this period, England facilitated mass migration of Jews, where there was a large wave of arrival Palestinians.
Tak hanya pasukan
Palestine
militer,
were worried
terlihat
about
tank
change
Israel yang
to the
bermanuver
country's
serta menembak sasaran.
demographies
IDF juga
and
menyebut mereka menemukan
confiscation
banyak
of
simpanan
their
senjata
land by
pada sebuah rumah di wilayah
Britain
Ben Hanon,
to be
Gaza
handed
Utara.
over the Jewish settler.
Berbagai senjata yang ditemukan meliputi
The
senapan,
increased
granat,
violence,
bahan peledak,
increasing
bunuh diri, dan
tensions
rudal.
finally caused an Arab
Senjata-senjata itu lalu dibawa ke
rebellion
Israel untuk
from
diperiksa.
1936 to
IDF juga mengklaim
1939.
menghancurkan laboratorium bahan
In
peledak di
April
dekat rumah tersebut.
1936, the new Arab
Per Minggu,
National
5
Committee
November
was formed, asking
2023,
Palestine to
korban tewas
launch
dari
a
pihak Palestina
general
mencapai
strike.
9.700
It
orang,
resisted tax
merujuk data dari
payment
Kementerian
and
Kesehatan
boycotting
negara
Jewish
itu.
product to
Angka
protest
itu
British
masih ditambah
colonialism
140
and
warga tewas
increase
di
Jewish
wilayah tepi barat.
immigration. The 6
Adapun
month
sekitar
strike
1.100
was
orang telah
brutally
meninggalkan jalur Gaza lewat gerbang Rafah
oppressed by
yang merupakan
Britain,
kesepakatan antara
and
AS, Mesir,
which
Israel, dan
launched
Qatar
a mass
yang menjadi
capture
perantara dengan
campaigns
Hamas.
and carried out the destruction of the house. it become a practice that Israel continues to be.
Usai gempur
Available
Gaza
to
melalui
Palestinians
udara,
today.
Israel bersiap melakukan serangan
second
darat kepada
phase-
kelompok Hamas.
The
Israel
second
mengklaim
phase of
telah
the
melancarkan
rebellion
perlawanan
began in the
hingga
late
mengontrol jalur Gaza,
1937.
markas Hamas
This
sekaligus
was
titik
led
api
by the
peperangan.
Palestine Farmers Resistance.
Puluhan jet tempur Israel disebut
England
telah menyasar lebih dari
Resistance
200 target dalam semalam
movement,
di
which
lingkungan
target
kota
the
Gaza.
strengthen
Puluhan ribu
of
tentara
Britain
Israel juga
and
dilaporkan telah
colonialism.
bergerak dan
In the
bersiap
second
untuk
half
kemungkinan
of
operasi darat.
1939,
Lebih dari 300 ribu
England
tentara
had
Israel
deployed,
disebut telah dipanggil
30
untuk bertugas.
30
Jumlah ini merupakan pengerahan
million
tentara Israel terbesar
troops
dalam
in
waktu
Palestine.
yang singkat sepanjang sejarah
The
Israel.
village are bombed
Pasukan
by
Israel
air,
yang berada di wilayah
warfare
selatan
are
Israel disiapkan untuk
enforced,
menghadapi
houses
operasi yang
destroyed,
akan
and
datang di Gaza.
administrative detentions
Mereka akan
and
dikerahkan
mass
untuk
murder
mempertahankan
are
perbatasan.
widespread. At groups and
Serangan Hamas pada 7
rebellions
Oktober
consisting
2023
of
membuat
Jewish
Israel
fighters
panas.
named specially
Perdana
Night
Menteri
Force
Israel Benyamin
led
Netanyahu
by the
akhirnya
British
bersumpah akan melakukan serangan
In the
balas
3
dendam
years
ke
of the
Gaza.
rebellions,
Ratusan pejuang
5
Hamas
million
diserang
Palestinians were
di wilayah
killed.
Israel dan puluhan lainnya
And
ditangkap.
15
Angkatan Udara Israel
15
telah
million
menargetkan ribuan lokasi di Gaza,
to
termasuk 3 peluncur
20
roket yang
million
diarahkan ke
people
Israel.
were injured and
Serangan udara Israel juga menghantam blok
5,
perumahan,
6
terowongan, dan
million
rumah pejabat
people
Hamas
were
di Gaza.
imprisoned.
Serangan balas dendam Israel itu
Okay.
telah menewaskan
Israel
ratusan
attack to
nyawa.
Gaza. Israel has launched 4 prolonged military attacks in Gaza, namely in thousands of Palestinians have been killed, including many children, and tens of thousands of houses, schools, and office buildings have been destroyed. Development is almost impossible because the site blocks construction material, such as steel and cement, reaches Gaza. The 2008 attack involved the use of weapons that are prohibited internationally, such as phosphorus. Within 5 days, Israel killed more than 2 million Palestinians, including 1 million civilians and nearly 50 children. During the attack, around 12 million Palestinians were injured and 20 million houses were destroyed and half of a million people were displaced. Okay, what's wrong with Palestine now? Palestine now. Air strikes in Gaza still kill more than 100 people for the last 24 hours amid an international pressures which was getting bigger against Israel to conduct a ceasefire and landing release negotiation. The Gaza Strip Health Authority on Sunday said that at least 19 people were killed by Israel bombings in the Jabalia camp in the north of Gaza City, and Israel attacks since October 7 have triggered a terrible humanitarian tragedy in the Gaza Strip, where around 85% of residents display together with the scarcity of water full to electricity. On Sunday, dozens of people reportedly raiding a truck that entered the Gaza Strip through the Rafah border. Meanwhile, delivering aid through the Salams ferry with Israel resumed on Sunday for the first time since the latest Hamas versus Israel repudiation. Although assistance institutions have warned that the estimated amount of help in every day will multiply. The team from the World Health Organization or WHO, who managed to send the supply to the Al-Shifa hospital in Gaza City on Sunday, described the medical complex as a bloodshed with a little water and food for thousands of people who use it as a shelter.
Kita ke mancanegara, pemirsa. Israel menyerbu kompleks Masjid Suci ketiga umat Islam Al-Aqsa. Kekejian Israel kali ini mengakibatkan lebih dari 150 warga Muslim Palestina terluka. Dan Israel menangkap ratusan lainnya, termasuk remaja.
Warga Palestina berhamburan memasuki masjid di kompleks Al-Aqsa. Mereka diserbu pasukan Israel sejak di luar masjid. Israel sudah menembakkan peluru karet bertubi-tubi dan memukuli warga Palestina mulai dari yang muda, lanjut usia, pengurus masjid, para medis hingga wartawan. Israel juga memecahkan kaca jendela Masjid Al-Qibli untuk melemparkan granat gas serta membidikan senapan laras panjang ke arah jemaah. Ini adalah jendela-jendela bersejarah dari masa Khalifah Abbasid abad 8 yang merupakan khalifah ketiga setelah Rasulullah.
لبيك يا أقصى لبيك يا أقصى الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Akibat bentrokan ini lebih dari 150 orang terluka. Israel berdalih menggerakkan pasukan ke Masjid Al-Aqsa karena warga Palestina di sana melempari pasukan Israel dengan petasan dan batu. Sementara menurut Direktur Masjid Al-Aqsa, Syekh Umar Al-Kiswani, tindakan Israel terhadap jemaah Masjid Al-Aqsa adalah penindasan. Jemaah yang datang dengan damai diserang usai sholat subuh di bulan suci Ramadan.
Okay, after I say the problem about Israel and Palestine from my viewer, after seeing this problem, I could conclude that Israel action to Palestine were very not serving humanity and violating war rules, where Israel had attacked citizens, hospitals, schools, and killed thousands of children. This is no longer about the problem is agama, but this is about humanity. Because Israel is not only attacking Muslims in Gaza, but he has also killed thousands of Christians in Gaza. Open your eyes and heart to this problem. We cannot just stay at the Palestine arbitrarily colonized by Israel. Should not we, as fellow human beings, support Israel on civilist action toward Gaza? Okay, I think that's all about Palestine for me. Thank you for watching. I hope after you watching this video, you mindset and your eyes is open about Palestine. That's all for me. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next video.